Hey guys, welcome back. Looks like it was just a piece of debris. It's not done any damage to Sam, luckily. I think it caught the oh, I can't think of what you call it, the centre stand. So I think I was lucky there. It's always important to find out what the hell's hit your bike in case it's done any damage, but luckily it hadn't. And strangely, a Ford that only indicates when it gets to the very end of where it's going to go. Why do you want to let anyone know where you're going? It's much more fun to make the little buggers guess, isn't it? Oh. And it's that type of car driver that always ends up causing accidents for bikers. They walk away from it, and in some cases we don't. Bavaria, big and flat. That's why it's so fertile. You can imagine the big icebergs and the glaciers ripping through this valley and flattening it out, and actually being a lake at one point, part of the sea. And then over billions of years, the water dried out and seeped away, and you were left with beautiful landscape that was ready to be inhabited by humans. And then we could spend our time fucking it up until somebody invented BMW. So apart from that, that was pretty good. It is nice riding in Bavaria. It does give you the opportunity to really ride quickly, completely legally. Which is absolutely magic. So pair of combinations. That I did not expect, because I'm not certain what this car is going to do on the left. I didn't try overtaking. Now the one at the back is definitely a BMW. It looks like an R1100. Oh fuck it, I'm going to go and follow them because I'm absolutely loving it. So that's an R1100, definitely. And then let's have a look at this. Another Beamer. Again, I think it's an 1100. That was me being a bit previous then, but not now. No, it's an R1200, the K1200. Well, that's been fun. It was great seeing the combination. And the fact both of them were Beamers, man, you cannot beat that, can you? Now guys, I've been asked if I would test ride a Africa Twin. Man, another one. With a Honda this time. Pan-European. So as I was saying, yeah, I'm going to test ride the Africa Twin, and we'll see what it's like. Now I've got the K&N in, which is the new air filter, and the induction roar is just that little bit louder. Awesome. I've noticed as well, she pulls cleaner. And that's pretty good. There seems to be a slight increase in performance. Just check my tyre pressures. Yeah, running fine. Now guys, the one thing that you will need to do, man, another one. I've had to get a new battery, so I've got a 19 amp hour battery for Sam. I got the 19 heavy duty because the 19 light duty wasn't hacking it for me. The standard 19 amp hour BMW battery was a little bit weak, and that was because I was running the in-off cameras and then also using it for charging and sort of blah de blah de blah and all that sort of thing, so it was making a big difference.